So, Christmas presents, how beautiful are your red in...
Hey, can you come? Oh, you're videoing. No, you don't need that. You don't need that. Oh, it's not that easy, is it?
Cameron.
If I put you back over here, you'll fall through more, won't you? Oh, you got these cameras out again.
She's like, I got to see the cameras now. I want to just sit here.
Oh, do you need your mom?
That was hilarious.
You need your mommy.
I guess Mommy's not having such a good day today.
Hey, don't chew on the strings.
I love those things. How about Foot? Foot looks good.
And fresh and tasty.
I thought she'd go back for Christmas presents.